Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programas offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nossos programas oferecem vários idiomas. Acesse suprememastertv.com/schedule.
हमारे कार्यक्रम पेश किए जाते हैं कई भाषाओं में. कृपया देखें suprememastertv.com/schedule.
我们的节目提供多种语言，请看 suprememastertv.com/schedule。
Rancangan kami menawarkan banyak bahasa. Sila kunjungi suprememastertv.com/kehadapan schedule.
برامجنا متوفرة بالعديد من اللغات. يرجى زيارة suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Наши программы предлагают много языков. Пожалуйста, посмотрите suprememastertv.com/schedule.
ਸਾਡੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ ਅਨੇਕ ਭਾਸ਼ਾਵਾਂ. ਕਿਰਪਾ ਦੇਖੋ suprememastertv.com/schedule.
So one interesting fact is that places in the world where people eat more vegetables, they have less heart disease and less cancer.
Continue watching to find out more.
We are grateful to have Dr. Ida Bagusrangga Wibuti present our program entitled Dr. Heather Shenkman, an Interventional Cardiologist Tips for a Healthy Heart, Part 2 of 4. Dr. Wibuti earned a Doctor of Medicine from Bali's Udayana University in 2009. He then specialized in cardiology and vascular medicine and completed a clinical observership at Yale University's Yale New Haven Hospital in the US to further advance his expertise in the field. Later, he finished an echocardiography fellowship and is currently a cardiologist at a hospital in Denpasar and a board member of the Indonesian Society of Echocardiography. A researcher as well, Dr. Wibuti is the co-author of a heart study published in the Medical Journal of Indonesia. The good doctor is also a frequent speaker on cardiology-related topics at symposiums and workshops for members of the Indonesian medical community.
Selamat datang pemirsa Bersinar, saya Dr. Rangga Wibuti dari Bali Hijau, Indonesia. Kami di Bali berharap Anda selalu memiliki teman mulia untuk mendukung Anda dalam perjalanan hidup Anda yang penuh berkah. Kami mendapat kehormatan menampilkan seri 4 bagian dari kutipan wawancara kami dan seminar yang dibawakan oleh Dr. Heather Shenkman, seorang ahli jantung intervensi vegan Amerika yang berspesialisasi dalam perawatan berbasis kateter atas penyakit jantung struktural. Saat Dr. Shenkman membantu pasiennya dengan membersihkan arteri yang tersumbat melalui operasi angioplasti dan stenting, dia juga mendorong mereka untuk mengadopsi gaya hidup sehat. Dia bahkan telah menulis buku untuk publik pada topik berjudul Panduan dari Dokter Jantung Vegan untuk membalikkan penyakit jantung, penurunan berat badan, dan merebut kembali hidup Anda. Dalam seri ini, kami akan menyoroti saran bijaksana dari Dr. Shenkman tentang cara menghindari penyakit kardiovaskular atau CVD, suatu istilah umum yang merujuk pada kondisi yang mempengaruhi pembuluh darah jantung dan penyebab kematian nomor 1 di seluruh dunia, secara menyedihkan membunuh 17,9 juta orang setiap tahun. Episode ini kami fokuskan pada perspektif Dr. Shenkman pada berbagai penelitian yang telah dilakukan yang menunjukkan bagaimana pola makan nabati membuat jantung bahagia. Dia sekarang secara singkat membahas beberapa karya dari ahli pengobatan gaya hidup Dr. Dean Ornish di area ini.
Dean Ornish had a lifestyle program. It wasn't just about diet. Though a low-fat vegetarian diet was a part of his program, he also talked about moderate exercise, stress management, quitting smoking, and group support. And he took initially 2 groups. One was a control group who were told all the basic advice. You eat more chicken and fish, stay away from pork, stay away from red meat, try not to smoke. Yeah, you should go exercise. But he then took another group, and it was a pretty aggressive program. They had meetings, they had counseling about what to eat, they had group sessions, they meditated together. It was a pretty thorough program. The diet was a vegetarian diet, fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, and soy. People could eat as much as they want. There was no caloric restriction. And naturally, the diet was about less than 10% of calories from fat. There were no animal products allowed with the exception of egg whites and 1 cup per day of non-fat milk or yogurt. There was no caffeine for some reason, and limited amounts of alcohol in that program. The people who were in the experimental program with the group support and the strict diet and whatnot, they actually had reversal of their coronary narrowings. And 40 to 37.8% doesn't sound like a lot, but when we talk about coronary disease, the natural history is as we get older, it progresses, it gets worse. So to actually do something where you can see reversal of plaque buildup is a big deal. Now the people in the control group, they actually had progression as expected. Progression of their blockages of their arteries. The experimental group, they had a decrease in the amount of angina or heart-related chest pain by 91%. So their heart-related chest pain almost entirely went away. And the control group, they had an increase in angina. And of the people in the experimental group, 82% of them had some narrowing that reversed. So the majority of people in this group actually did get significant benefit.
Kami sekarang akan berhenti untuk satu pesan positif, lalu kembali. Tetaplah bersama Supreme Master Television.
Welcome back to Dr. Heather Shengman, an interventional cardiologist tips for a healthy heart, part 2 of 4 on Supreme Master Television. Dr. Wirbuti will now continue presenting our program.
Pencegahan adalah obat terbaik adalah ungkapan yang terkenal yang pasti berlaku untuk melindungi jantung kita. Penelitian demi penelitian telah menunjukkan bahwa cara terbaik untuk menghindari aterosklerosis atau pengerasan pembuluh darah kita adalah harus waspada pada apa yang kita konsumsi sehari-hari dengan makanan utuh vegan menjadi pilihan terbaik yang mutlak.
So one interesting fact is that places in the world where people eat more vegetables, they have less heart disease and less cancer. And this is a graph comparing the percent of deaths from heart disease and cancer with the percentage of calories from unrefined plant foods. So if we look at Hungary, United States, Belgium, the percentage of calories from vegetables and fruits is pretty low, and the percentage of deaths from heart disease and cancer is pretty high, whereas in these countries, Korea, Thailand, Laos, where people get more fruits and vegetables, they seem to have less deaths from heart disease and cancer.
Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn, seorang dokter Amerika yang disegani yang telah menjadi pemimpin dalam menunjukkan penyakit kardiovaskular, dapat dicegah dan dibalik melalui nutrisi dasar nabati, mengatakan untuk orang di Afrika Tengah, orang dataran tinggi Papua dari Papua Nugini, orang Indian Tarahumara dari Meksiko Utara, dan penduduk pedesaan Tiongkok seperti yang dijelaskan dalam Cornell China Study, penyakit jantung adalah pada dasarnya tidak ada, selagi hipertensi, penyakit ganas barat, obesitas, dan diabetes onset dewasa jarang ditemui.
Next, I'm going to talk about Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn because he also did research on plant-based diets and heart disease. He was inspired to see if diet can reverse even the most severe of coronary disease. He sought out the sickest of the sick. They had at least 3 vessel coronary artery disease, so 3 major arteries with severe blockages in them. He put them on a strict vegetarian diet. Now, recruitment for this was challenging because it's a pretty stringent diet compared to what people eat. He got 21 patients recruited, 17 of them followed the diet, and he was able to do full follow-up on 11 of them, and full follow-up included doing coronary angiograms, injecting dye into the arteries of their hearts. So his diet, it wasn't just a whole food plant-based diet, it was stricter than that. So he allowed whole grains, legumes, lentils, vegetables, and fruit. But what he did not allow, he said no nuts, no oils, no seeds, no avocado, and no animal products. Now the people who were enrolled in this study, at least the 11 who were followed all the way out with full studies, there were 37 events in these 11 patients over the course of the 8 years before the studies. So 15 events where there was increase in angina. There were 6 cases of progression of plaque within the arteries, probably seen on a coronary angiogram. 6 patients had bypass surgery prior to the study, and actually prior to the 8 years, there were 2 other people who had had bypass surgery as well. 4 people had suffered heart attacks during this time before the study, 3 strokes, 2 angioplasties, 1 worsening stress test. After the study, these folks were followed out for more than 5 years. No events occurred in these patients who followed the diet actually over the course of 10 years. So these folks, after having had all of that before the study, after they were put on a whole food plant-based diet, did remarkably.
Kami berharap acara hari ini telah menggerakkan Anda untuk mengeksplorasi lebih jauh manfaat dari makanan nabati, dan semoga Anda selalu menikmati puncak kesehatan. Untuk informasi lebih lanjut tentang Dr. Sheng Men dan bukunya Panduan dari Dokter Jantung Vegan untuk Membalikkan Penyakit Jantung, Penurunan Berat Badan, dan Merebut Kembali Hidup Anda, silakan kunjungi drhetershengmen.com/about-the-book. Bergabunglah lagi dengan kami minggu depan pada hari Sabtu 31 Agustus untuk bagian 3 dari Dr. Heather Sheng Men, Kiat-Kiat Seorang Kardiologis Intervensional untuk Jantung yang Sehat, di mana kita akan menyoroti transisi Dr. Sheng Men ke makanan dasar nabati dan beberapa aktivitasnya untuk mempromosikan pola makan vegan di California. Terima kasih pemirsa yang menyenangkan atas kebersamaan Anda pada acara hari ini. Selanjutnya adalah Sutra Surangama, Keadaan Kesehatanan dari Skanda Berpikir, bagian 1 dari 8, di acara antara guru dan murid setelah berita patut disimak. Semoga Anda diberkati dengan kebahagiaan dan ketenangan pikiran setiap hari. Thank you, delightful viewers, for your company on today's program. Up next is the Surangama Sutra, The Demonic States of the Thinking Skandhas, Part 1 of 8 on Between Master and Disciples, right after Noteworthy News. May you be blessed with happiness and peace of mind every day.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/HO.